Where is the check-in counter? Can I see your passport, please? How many bags are you checking in? Please put your bag on the scale. Do you have anything fragile? What's the boarding gate number? The flight is delayed. The flight has been cancelled. Please fasten your seatbelt. What time is boarding? Where is the security check? Please remove your shoe and belt. Do I need to take out my laptop? Where is the departure gate? I think I've lost my boarding pass. Is this the line for flight number 205? Can I have a window seat, please? What time will we land? My luggage didn't arrive. Where can I find a baggage trolley? How long is the flight? Can I get an upgrade to business class? Where is the immigration counter? I'm here for a connecting flight. Enjoy your flight.